Which material should I use? Do I use more than one book per subject? Can I use my old textbooks or do I need a bar reviewer? There are lucky people who can retain information just by reading it once and can use multiple materials, while some people need to read a material several times. If you're the type that requires multiple readings, then we suggest you master just one main reviewer and supplement it with handouts from review centers. Do I use my old books, or should I get new books? We suggest that you use new reviewers for the bar exam. A good concise reviewer will most likely contain enough information for you to make an intelligent answer for all possible questions. Your old textbooks from law school will probably take too long to finish, as they usually go more in depth in their discussions. You might miss the forest for the trees. However, if you really want to use your old books, just make sure they are up to date. If your old book is already messy with highlights, you can buy bright stickers, which you can put beside headings that are covered by the syllabus. Or you scan pages of your textbook that are covered by the syllabus, print, and arrange them accordingly. Doing these things will help you when you only have a couple of days to review everything during your second read. Do not use old textbooks for tax and labor. These get outdated pretty fast. For reviewers, they oftentimes have a more general discussion over topics, which is sufficient for the purposes of the bar exam. Go for reviewers, which are arranged according to the bar syllabus. Looking for topics wastes time and risks skipping an item. With reviewers, you have more time to read the ton of handouts from review centers. Finally, having a printed syllabus helps a lot. The minutes you waste looking through your device to check your progress add up quick. Plus, you can write important things on it. For a bar syllabus arranged political law reviewer, which contains annotations from over 10 renowned authors, important doctrines, and invaluable lecture notes from brilliant law professors, check out Straight to the Point on our Facebook page. See the link in the description box below. In our next video, we will be tackling tips on using codals, past bar questions, and other materials. So subscribe if you haven't yet. Take a deep breath. You can do this.